body. Lovely white coat with brown and black markings. An aristocrat with 12 champions among her forebears. How she cloned and chased. How she loved people and children and other dogs. So here the writer, who is writing a letter, that man is describing his own dog, how it was. So it had a lovely white coat with brown and black markings. An aristocrat. Aristocrat means of very high breed. So hybrid puppy and with 12 champions among her forebears. Champions means winner in competition. So it had won in competitions. So 12 times it was champion among her forebears. Four means those of a family who lived long time ago, ancestors. So this breed puppy means dog was a champion. How she cloned and chased. Clone means behaved in a silly way in order to make others laugh. So always she was behaving in a silly way just to make others laugh. She loved people, children and other dogs also. So in this way the writer described his dog. I'm sorry you didn't stick around to see the job you had done. Surely a dog dying by the side of the road is no pretty sight. So perhaps you thought it better to forget all about the thump and the elk. But sir, in less than 2 seconds, you and that car of yours transformed a living thing into a lifeless lump. Okay. I feel sorry you didn't stick around to see the job you had done. You didn't come down what had happened to see. Surely a dog dying by the side of the road is no pretty sight. If the dog is dying aside of the road, means it is not a good thing to see. Okay. So perhaps you thought it better to forget all about the thump. So in 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you forget that what you had done, you forget. And the elk, you forget all about the thump and the elk. But sir, in less than 2 seconds, here for that hit and run driver, it takes 5 to 10 minutes to forget. But in 2 seconds, you and that car of yours transformed a living thing into a lifeless lump. You and your car transformed my Wendy into a lifeless lump. Lump means shapeless. Okay, so when he hit that Wendy, so it became shapeless. So the blood was coming and the Wendy was full of blood now. In less than 2 seconds, you transformed a thing that had been so beautiful and loving into something so dirty and ugly. See, that Wendy was so beautiful and it was so pretty and it was very loving. But you transformed that loving and beautiful in something into dirty and ugly only in 2 seconds. Now the dog is filled with blood and it is ugly now. It is shapeless now. I hope to God that when you hit my dog, you had for a moment the same feeling that we have now since. The same sick feeling that we have in our throat and down the stomach even now. Okay. So you hit our dog we felt pain, still we are having that pain, still it is in our throat and down the stomach even now. So still we are feeling bad by remembering our vending. And I hope to God that you will always have this feeling whenever you go speeding down a winding country road. I pray to God that always you have this feeling. Okay, so whenever you go fast, so you should remember, though that day I hit a dog and I heard a scream of a lady. So always you should remember when you are going fast, because next time some 8-year-old boy might be wobbling along on his first bicycle. So you should remember always when you are going fast, because next time if a boy might be wobbling, if a 8-year boy might be wobbling means moving from side to side in an unsteady way. Okay, even we too tried, right? So in our bicycle, if we get a new bicycle, it is common, so we go side by side, okay, along on his first bicycle. Or a sweet little one, while playing with her father, might suddenly run out of the gate and into the road, the way my puppy did. Or a little girl is playing with her father, might suddenly come out of the gate and into the street, how my puppy did in the way. Or perhaps you will really be lucky next time also and only kill another dog and break the heart of another family. Whether it is dog or a girl or a boy, life is life, no? Whomsoever, so life is life. See, while going on the road, so we should be in speed limit. So you might have seen beside the road the signboards, speed limit 40 kilometer per hour or 50 kilometer per hour, or you might have seen the boards go slowly, hump board, signboard, or curve, or one way. You might have seen, right? Yes, of course. So here the writer is requesting and he is praying to God that if you go fast in the next time, kill another dog only and break another family heart only, but don't kill anybody. Okay. So this letter was written by Richard Joseph. Understood? So this letter was written by Richard Joseph to an unknown hit and run driver. So it was published in the newspaper. So this is the story of the man who killed my dog. So it is still not found. So who had killed the dog? Don't know. But the writer decided to write the letter just to make understand about their feelings, just make him to understand about the feelings of a family and the attachment towards the dog. Okay, so this is the story of the man who killed my dog. Hope you have understood. See you. Thank you.